Hey everyone, welcome to Modded Survive. So, I'm here in a village with Minecraft Alive people. I don't know what you should call them, but today we are in a new world. Hello sir. Why are you half dead? Okay. So yeah, we are in so this is going to be my Mr. Crayfish Funtrabot and Minecraft Alive mod. So let's get started. Woo. Yeah, I'm dizzy. Okay. Female. Either. Go. None of these. Make me dizzy. Okay. So, the goal for this episode is to just get the basic supplies. Gonna bring it in here. Gonna grab this. Why do you hands? Okay, hello. There's hello. What? Your twins. Your twins. Hello. Who are you? Zayden. Sup? Alright, we're in a good mood. So Zayden, took on Michael. What's up, Michael? So far, Michael and Zayden are on our okay. Let's see. So, oh, what are you doing up there? There you go. Wait. Happy birthday. Okay. So let's go grab some wood. Hit you with my fist. Ha ha ha. It's actually kind of it's not like I'm gonna do some kind of stuff. Alright, I need to cut it out. Please. Let me keep you. Thank you, sheeps, for your time to go. Goodness, it's just... Alright, and hopefully the guards will keep the village safe. Oh, you're Dion. You're a different person. Wait, there's Michael and Dion. They're twins. There's a lot of twins and stuff. Let's make a bed so we can sleep, and it's not going to be tough to deal with monsters. So let's just put it there and let's go to bed. So, okay, let's go and eat some. Having breakfast. Everyone want to join me for breakfast. Yum. Yeah, Michael. Hi, Michael. What? How dare you? That's right. No, it's not. Okay, you know what? If you don't want to talk to me, I'm just gonna leave. Let's see. Here's Dion. No, I didn't. Why don't you guys like me? My goodness. Where is... see. Excuse me, sir. Do you know where my future husband? No. Okay. Hello. Where is my safe? Oh, there you are. Hello, you're awesome. What? No! How dare you? Okay, I don't know who your pig is, so I'm gonna leave. Is there a party over here? What's happening? What are you talking about? Okay, well then. Wow, bear. I like that. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna grab these carrots. Saying not want them. Grab it. And yep. And yep. Okay, we should go down here. Because I am I've been doing this whole time. Alright. Let's grab some of this. A lot of caves around this village. Oh. Something is happening. Get down. Oh. That's coal. Yes, we don't have to make charcoal. Excuse me, Mr. Zombie, I'm just trying to get this coal. So if you would come over here so I can kill you with my potatoes, that would be great. Thank you. Thank you. So I'll kill you with my axe instead. But potatoes are cool. Alright. Grab all this coal. Grab this coal, this coal, and this coal, and this coal, and this iron, 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 and this, and this iron, and this iron, and this iron, and all of the iron. So dark in here. Okay, and I'm trying to iron. And some more coal. Well, I can't see up there. So we're gonna go up here and then we'll make some pictures and we'll come back down. Let's go up here and let's get there. Yeah, right, so we'll go over here, so we'll go over here. Oh, there is an enderman. Alright. Let's grab these carrots. Carrots. So we love carrots. Do you guys like carrots? I kinda like carrots. I mean, they're not like the best, but they're okay. Give me your potatoes. You got your potatoes. I like potatoes. Let's just skip these farms for now so we can go make some baked potatoes and keep it make some. I don't even know. We can make some actually, let's make this first. And let's cook our potatoes and then put that. And then we're going to put this. That in there, and then we'll put that in there. And then everything will be right in the world. And then this. Oh! But I don't know where we're going to get these diamonds. We're going to make a pickaxe and so we can mine some silver and stuff. We're just going to put all of our junk in there. Nope. Also, we need a sword. So okay, we need to organize this inventory. I need this. How did this turn out? So let's, excuse me, are you trying to steal? No, so you're trying to steal my potatoes, but alright, day one. Oh, no, this isn't day one. We're doing it at the end of the episode. That's really good. We have our potatoes and stuff. That and we will do stuff with that. Let's organize this inventory. This there. That there. That there. That there. That there. There. And make a sword. And then we'll put our cobblestone back here. And then we'll go to the caves. The caves. All the caves. Cables. Whoa. Hello, Zayden. Hello, Zayden. What's up, dude? Zombies away. Yes, it does. Joke. Should I joke with it? Yes, I should. You didn't even hear my joke. Maybe I should warn people, yeah. So I'm just gonna leave you here and I'm gonna go find, hold on. So there's this, like, thing in the reason why I'm walking in so early is because, like, if you talk to them too much at a time, they'll like start getting angry and stuff. So I like to do it like 3 times and then just walk away, you know, and talk to them later. Thank you. You are getting up there. I'm like, Zayden. Excuse you, Zayden. Humph. Alright, let's go down here and let's go stuff. Because, oh yeah, I forgot to make, I'm so bad. Got to like say the torches. So let's go back up here. There. There. Should probably not go okay. That. There. Right there. 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 Staircases. Not the most useful things in the world, but they'll do. No! Alright. That. Excuse me. I'm not gonna grab the leaf now just because, alright, let's go this corn, let's go this, and then we'll grab this, and then grab this, and make some armor. Do it repairs. Alright, let's do 1, 2, and then put that back. This, let's do this, and that back, and then, nah, that there, and then make some armor, and then blast, and then everything will be like because that's it's always, oh no, I don't know what to do. That, and then put this on, and I'll decide whether or not to make, whether to make gray, because it's around so good. For now we're just gonna go mining, probably grab some more iron so we can make both, and make all of the iron tools. And this is going well. We're starting very well. We have all these caves, we have our food, we have our wood, we have our diamonds from the chest, we have our bed, we have our soulmates, tea. Okay, put some torches down. Let's actually grab this coal because we're running out of coal. Because oh, there's a spider. Sup, spider? You wanna come hang with me? Spider, I'm talking to you, bro. I'm talking to you. You don't just ignore me. See, that's what you get for ignoring me. Oh no, you scared me, skeleton. Skeleton, get over here. Thank you. You're knocking your bones out. Let's grab this iron. Make sure not to get the creeper because that happens way too often to me. It's kind of annoying. this. Then we go here and grab all the items here. Never mind. I meant it here. Let's put the torch down. Who does that? Not me, that's for sure. Alright, so I told you we have enough to make a sword and a pickaxe and like all those other tools and stuff. Alright, that's awesome. It's a flower. False flower. There's another creeper. Evacuate. Evacuate. Anything up here? Oh, done. You know, we're just gonna go back, smelt this iron, make some tools and stuff, and do all that kind of stuff. So let's leave so we can go. So we can go make all of our stuffs and carrots. And then we'll update later because I'm so lazy. So it's a hassle for me. What are you doing here? Hello, Mid. Sorry, nope. I'm just gonna put it down there. Oh, hello, Michael. What are you doing here? That's kind of weird. But funny. Yes, it was funny. Oh, sorry, that was really good story. So yes, it is, sir. You are correct, sir. There. And what are you doing? It's kind of creepy. Alright, guys, so we're going to end the episode here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like it if you did. And subscribe for more content. And yeah. Also, did you like the video? Did you like the video? Yeah. Yes. No. Okay. I guess you did. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!